If you think you've seen wide body kits before, look again. This isn't just a Nissan Silvia S15. This is the LB Super Silhouette S15. Today we are looking at the brand new Mini GT number 858. It's arguably one of the most aggressive castings Mini GT has ever released. Let's get it out of the box and see if the hype is real. First, let's talk about that body kit. Why does it look so boxy? This is Liberty Walk's tribute to the legendary group 5 racing cars of the 1980s, specifically the Skyline R30 Silhouette. Liberty Walk founder Wataru Kato wanted to bring that retro boxy racing style to a modern drift car. Mini GT has captured that perfectly here. Look at those massive squared off fenders and that gigantic rear wing. It connects the front splitter all the way to the back diffuser in one sharp line. Now let's talk about this specific livery. This is the 5 FIVEX racing livery, famously driven by Ryusei Akiba in Formula Drift Japan. The green and gold color combination is stunning in person. Mini GT nailed the shade of metallic green. It really pops under the light. Check out the wheels. These are deep dish gold rims that match the livery perfectly. And as always with Mini GT, you get those crystal clear headlight lenses and detailed tire lettering. It feels premium. So is it worth adding to the collection? Absolutely. The stance is perfect. It sits low, but it still rolls smoothly, which is rare for cars with body kits this complex. It's heavy, it feels solid, and it stands out on the shelf next to any standard Hot Wheels. This is easily one of the best S15 in the 164 game right now. Let me know in the comments. Do you prefer this super silhouette look or the clean rocket bunny style? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. See ya!